Hey guys, what's up? Today we are back with a brand new box of Nike Revolution 6. Its size is 9 UK and 10.5 US. It is a made in Vietnam product. So now it's time to open the box. Here are the shoes. They are looking quite good. They are feeling durable. You can see the Nike logo and naming and the carbon cycling logo on the top. All over the shoes are good. Seems to be a premium quality. Here is the Nike detailing and the barcode scanner if you want to scan. And the bounce is just amazing. You can notice that. You can also notice the Nike logo on the sole and a good grip. So they are real shoes as they have a Nike branding on the bottom. And also all over the build quality of the shoes represent the Nike's originality. One thing more you can notice that there is written nothing on the sole. This car mentions that Nike had used 20% recycled carbon material in their shoes and their production is environment friendly. All the detailings are written on the car, you can check it out. All over the upper quality is good. There are two layers of cloth, one is under and second is a knitted upper. Even you can scratch your Nike logo. The way like sole is pressing, I think it may be a good choice for running and to be weared comfortably in any occasion, or you can wear it casually. So now it's time to review the shoes. Comment down if you are eagerly waiting to buy the shoes, and also like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. We will be back soon with another video.